This video will look at how you can use a Chrome extension called Remote for Slides, and it can be used on an iPad or Android device or iPhone to advance your Google Slides. So to begin with, make sure that you are in Chrome and do a search for the Chrome Web Store in Google. Once you have the Chrome Web Store opened up, there's a search in the upper corner, and you're going to type in Remote for Slides. With the Remote for Slides, you're going to click the blue Add to Chrome, and then it says here Add Extension. Extensions go up here in the corner of your Chrome browser, and so this one is the Remote for Slides. Here it tells you how you use your Remote for Slides. So one of the things it says to do here is open a presentation in Google Slides. Now I had this presentation open before, and it's telling me the directions that right here I should have some special icon. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to refresh these slides so that this Present with Remote shows up on my screen. So I'm going to press the Present with Remote, and then down here on the bottom you normally have these presentation tools, but you have a few more added on here. So in here, what you'll want to do is go to your phone or your iPad or whatever you might be using for your presentation tool, and you're going to type in this address. Now it's a little bit difficult because it keeps disappearing as it doesn't stay up on the screen very long, but if you kind of keep moving your mouse back, it will come back up. So now I'm showing my iPad screen that has the site that I typed in, and it's asking for a code to enter here. So if I go back to my presentation, which is in Chrome, it says here Show ID and Start Remote at the bottom of my screen. I'm going to touch that, and it's going to give me a code to type in. Now that does disappear for security, so it goes away kind of fast. So I'm putting that into my iPad, and then I'm going to click Connect on there. And now all I see on here is next slide and previous slide. So it is certainly nothing fancy whatsoever. And all I'm going to do on my screen is just tap next slide and previous slide. And if I maybe try moving this down a little bit, you can see that it's actually going to the next slide or to the previous slide. Once I'm done presenting, I can choose the X down here on the bottom to stop the remote, and that on my iPad will disconnect so that it no longer shows that slides going back and forth. Hopefully this will be something you find useful.